Hi all, this is Monique with Mischief, and look what I have here. I have a package that I'm going to open. Where are the scissors? Okay, I finally got it cut open, and now I'm trying to open it. And it's a little hard to do one-handed. Okay. This is what we have. We have our Happy Planner books. Look at that. Yay! And this is both an order for my mom and I. We both have a tendency of ordering the same books. So two of the watercolor. The watercolor book. I believe it's called Seasonal Watercolor. And they are big books. And over here we have the extension. And yep, both of us got an extension. And let's see, we both bought these little bookmarks. See, there we go. And then of course, we both bought the big Miss Maker. We couldn't find them in the stores and we didn't want to miss out, so we bought them. And let's see, is there anything else? So that's one for her, one for me. Oh, and some paper. Oops. And this is the Disney, there's Minnie right there. This is the Disney lined paper for the big size book. I have the a Mickey Big book that I ordered a couple months ago, and it doesn't start until January, but I like the color purple, so that's all we got today. Okay, so that is the Seasonal Watercolor Planner for the year 2022. And I can't wait to get into it. Okay, the second book I got in this unboxing is Miss Maker, big. I prefer the big size books. I can use them as notebooks or whatever later. And I do. Instead of buying 3-ring binders that break, I buy the planners, use them, and turn them into notebooks after I'm done with them for the year. They work out really well. Here is the Disney lined paper for the big planner, and you see Minnie at the top, and on the back you have Mickey. These are the two bookmarks I got. They're the florals. This is the Miss Maker expansion kit. Thanks for watching.